G'day guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to our caravan. But this was the one that we were selling. Yeah, well, we haven't sold it. We've actually taken it off the market for the simple reason we're going to give it another 12 months. There's a few places where we want to go that don't have motels. They don't have any sort of other accommodation. They don't have cabins. And we thought, well, there's a lot of places we want a free camp. And a bit hard to free camp for us oldies if we haven't got the caravan. So, yeah, the little Jayco is back on the road again. Now, last weekend we went to a little place, towed the van behind the Hilux, went to a little place called Grenfell. And what was on at Grenfell, amongst lots of other things, was a truck show and a car show sort of thing, and a tractor pull. Now, I'm into modified tractors, modified tractor pulls. If there's a V8, I'm there. We're also into the jet boats, which you've probably seen on the channel. So I thought, well, we're going to take the van there, going to record some of it, which there's plenty lined up. And we stayed at a little place right in Grenfell, which was the old railway station, a free camp area behind, just behind the station. It was brilliant. It was really, really good. So very, very clean, great amenities. Can't recommend this place enough. In Grenfell, if you want to get away, the old Grenfell railway station, free camp area, the camping area. There was probably 20 or 30 vans there with us, and I'm sure everyone would have had, exactly the same opinion as us, and we'll be certainly leaving a very good review on that one. Cost-wise, well, it's free, but slip them $10 to keep it going because, boy, it is really, really worth it, and right in the centre of town. I mean, it's a 1-minute walk sort of to the main street, so yeah, it's really good. IGA supermarket in Grenfell, brilliant, everything's in there. What a great little town, the home of Henry Lawson's birthplace. Yeah, so if you ever want to go somewhere and see a little bit of stuff, a little bit of interesting stuff. Apparently we missed a museum on Valiant cars, which we're going back there. With this van, yeah, we're going to keep it. We're going to do more exploring. We can explore more places than you can if you're reliant on accommodation everywhere. Whereas, we can just, camp anywhere. So, anyway, the tractor pull, modified tractor pull, lots of V8s there, and lots of noise. If you go to these things, V8 tractors, earmuffs, a must, earplugs, because some, especially towards the last, are exceptionally loud. Yeah, so especially if you've got kids, make sure hearing protection. Okay, so I took some pictures. We'll have a look at some pictures. First of all now, we'll have a look at the park, a little bit of drone footage, just give you an idea of what it looks like, and yeah, just a little bit of video there. The amenities, as I said, lovely and clean, fully serviced, really great. Okay, so let's get on with the show. Enough jaw-jacking from me. Let's get on and have a look at where we were, and boy, we really, really enjoyed ourselves. Okay, here it is.
Now they're around the fucking road. Now they're around the fucking road.
Well, guys, hope you enjoyed that. Lots of action there. lots of money, lots of action, a lot of fuel, a lot of pollution, but we don't talk about that. We're not interested in pollution with stuff like this. Okay, give us a like, thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to follow. We're going to keep doing this on a more frequent basis, because myself and my lovely wife are now retired, so finally we can get out there and do stuff. Okay, so until the next video, which mightn't be far away, I've got lots of places where I've been, including New Zealand. We'll put some of that up as well. Okay, just to give us an idea of where we go. Okay, bye for now.